So this is what it looks now. Look at that. Very different from the white stone that you see when I opened it. See this one. Very nice. These are just cutouts, but certainly you can make something of it. You can make a necklace, among others, as you can see. See lots of varieties. I mean, by the size of it, it can make nice, beautiful pendants. Same like this. You can see. You can make small ones. Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing. This is Mel again from Coins and Stamps to Watch. So we have a very big box here. It's big and heavy actually, so it is another hobby that I want to pursue, and I'm just starting to do this hobby, and we'll see what this one is. Still under. So to see, here we go. This is a big one, the one below. This is almost half kilo, the one under. Oh, sorry, it's a bit wobbly. This is a heavy one. Here we go. So these Greenstone or Jade, this is around half kilo. I'm trying to do some carvings, and you see, look, trying to do some carvings. I'm learning, but yeah, it is it is one of the ingredients, of course. So this is a big chunk of jade or greenstone or Paunamu from New Zealand. You can see the nice stone, the nice design on it. And so are these ones. These ones are if it's polished, it will be looking something different. I'll show you, because when it's wet, you can see the real colors of these stones. I'll show you. So from this lot, in which you can see it's just white, I'll show you the real color of this when we put it in water, at least. But when it's polished, it's very beautiful. I'll show you. Just give me a second. So this is what it looks now. Look at that. Very different from the white stone that you see when I opened it. See this one. Very nice. These are just cutouts, but certainly you can make something of it. You can make a necklace, among others, as you can see. See lots of varieties. I mean, by the size of it, it can make nice, beautiful pendants. Same like this. You can see. You can make small ones, and different colors as well, as you can see. So once you polish it, it will be like this. It's gonna be nice and shiny, and it have the either the green patina or or the yellowish, as you can see. Imagine it's combined with different colors. So that's how it look like now. Very far from from what you see when we opened it. Very nice. So I bought this one. It's around 3 kilo, 3.2 kilo to be exact. I want to make like maybe keychains or necklace. See the nice shiny stone, shiny greenstone. Make a lot of small things in here. Small pendants, small see, it will look very nice when you shape it. These are just cutouts. I think the seller will be having the big good piece, of course, but it's just a bargain. So it's just a $1 bid start. Didn't cost much, just a few dollars. This is a nice one. See, very nice. Yeah, it's a new hobby, so I think I'm happy with this buy. At least I can experiment on a lot of things. And of course, this one I don't think I will I will cut this one out. It's a nice piece, nice big piece, and I think it's not cut out really. It wasn't cut out. It's like a one whole stone. As you can see the edge. It's not been it haven't been cut, so it is the way it is. Smooth here, you see. So very nice. So here we go. Yeah, another collectible, another thing to collect. Jade stones have been used as jewelry in so many different countries as well. And apart from that, it's like a national treasure in New Zealand. Very nice. So thank you very much. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you. I hope you all have a very good day.